Hello students, how are you all? Fine? Great. So welcome back to Nagesh Korasgi Orchid School. Yes, I am teaching you which subject, children? Yes, I am teaching you English subject. And what we have learnt in the last episode? Do you remember? Which letters I have taught you? Yes? Very good. We have learnt letter D. And one more letter I have taught you. Which letter is that? Yes, it is letter E. So up till now in literacy, which letters I have taught you? Can you remember? First letter A, letter B, letter C, letter D and letter E. Okay. So up till now we have learned 5 letters. Okay. And now I am going to teach you the next letter. Okay. So can anybody tell me which letter will come after E? Yes. Which letter will come after E? Very good. After E, letter F will come. So today we are going to learn letter F. So open your literacy skill book, page number 2 to 22. Yes children, what you can see here? Yes, very good. Which letter is this? It is letter capital F. And which letter is this? Letter small f. And the phonic sound of letter F is F. How you should say? F. Only you have to blow the air from your mouth. How you should do? F. Okay? The phonic sound of letter F is F. Understood? So let us see some pictures which start with letter F. So which picture is this? What is this? F. Fox. Fire. F. Frog. F. Fish. F. Flower. Okay? F. Fox. F. Frog. F. Fire. F. Fish. F. Flower. Okay? So, what is the phonic sound of letter F? It is F. Okay? Turn the page, take out your pencil, eraser, sit properly straight. Now I will show you how to write letter capital F. Okay? So, you have to start with the red line to the blue line. You have to draw one standing line. Okay? And 2 small slipping lines. You have to start with red line and end to the blue line. This is letter capital F. Repeat after teacher. Capital letter F. Capital letter F. Capital letter F. Capital letter F. One more time in this line also we have to practice. Start with the red line, end to the blue line and 2 small slipping lines. Letter capital F. And what is the phonic sound of letter F? F. F. Only you have to blow the air from your mouth. Okay? Yes. Letter capital F. You have to write along with teacher. Okay? In good handwriting. Write in proper formations. Now I will show you how to write small f. From red to blue line, you have to draw one standing line and small curve and one slipping line on the blue line. Okay? Letter small f. Okay? Small f. Letter small f. Small letter f. Small letter f. In this line also we have to practice. Small letter f. Small letter f. Small letter f. Small letter f. And what is the phonic sound? F. Small letter f. Complete fast. Finished? Yes. So now here what you can see, take the pictures that begin with letter F. So here you have to tick mark the letters which start with, you have to tick mark the pictures that starts with letter F. So which picture is this? Does it starts with letter F? No. Which picture is this? Flowers. Yes. So you have to do your tick mark. Which picture is this? Does it starts with letter F? No. So we don't have to tick it. Okay. See this picture? Fish. You have to tick mark. This picture starts with letter F? No. So you don't have to tick it. Fan. It starts with letter F. Which picture start with letter F? Flowers, flowers, fish and fan. These three pictures, they start with letter F. So you have to tick mark it. Okay. Done? Turn the page. Here you have to write, you have to do practice. Okay. Write the first letter of each picture. Okay. So here we have to write the first letter. Which picture is this? Fan. So which with which letter it starts? It starts with letter F. So here we have to write capital letter F. Fire. Here also F for fire. So you have to write capital letter F. Capital letter F. Capital letter F. Complete fast. Yes, children. So you have to write your capital letters. F for fan, F for fire, F for fly, F for face, F for fox and F for finger. So you have to write your capital letter F. Done? After this, turn the page. Next page you have to open page number 2525. Okay? What you can see here? Which letter you can see here? Yes, this is letter capital G and this is letter small g. And what is the phonic sound of letter G? It's G. Okay? G. Okay? Yes. So you have to repeat these pictures which this starts with letter G. Okay? G, gift. G, grapes. G, girl. G, guitar. And giraffe. Sometimes the phonic sound of letter G is J also. Okay? Like we have seen here, grapes means G and giraffe means J. So sometimes you have to say J also. So the phonic sound of letter G is G. Turn the page. Now I will show you how to write letter capital G. Okay. First you have to draw a half curve. Okay. You have to draw a half curve, one standing line and one sleeping line. Letter capital G. Which letter is this? Capital letter G. Red to blue line. You have to write properly in good handwriting. Okay, children? First you have to draw a half curve, one standing line and one sleeping line. Capital letter G. 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 And what is the phonic sound of letter G? It is G. Okay. Now small letter G. How to write letter small g? See, you have to start with blue line. You have to draw a small curve, one standing line and a small curve. Letter small g. You have to repeat after teacher and write small letter G. Small letter G. Small letter G. Write in good handwriting with proper formations. Don't make your book dirty, okay? Keep your books clean and tidy. Small letter G. 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 Okay? Done? Very good. Now, next, see here down. Circle the pictures that begin with letter G. So, now we have to circle the pictures. So, which picture is this? Fish. It starts with letter G? No. Which picture is this? Girl. So, you have to circle this girl. It starts with letter G. Giraffe. Circle giraffe also. Which picture is this? Cat. Yes, which picture is this? It is a, yes children, it is a cat. And does it start with letter G? No. So don't circle the cat. You have to circle grapes. It starts with letter G. Okay? Finished? Okay. Now you have to turn the page. Page number 2727. Okay? Open this page. Write the first letter of each picture. Okay? So which picture is this? It is a glass. Yes. So G for glass. We have to write here capital letter G. Which picture is this? Yes? Gloves. Very good. We wear hand gloves, na? Yes. So G for gloves. Which picture is this? Gift box. Yes. G for gift. G for goat. G for guitar. And G for girl. Okay? These all pictures, they start with letter G. So you have to write your letter capital G. Finished? Okay. Now you have to open your literacy workbook. Okay? You have to open literacy workbook, page number 1010. Okay? You have to open page number 1010 and write here H.W homework. You have to trace and write and color. Okay? You have to trace this letter F. You have to complete this page with writing capital letter F and small letter f. Also, you have to trace this spelling of flower. Which picture is this? It's a flower and you have to color this picture. Okay? Write in proper formation. You have to complete this page. Now, next page, page number 1111. Okay? Here also same. You have to write letter capital H and capital W, that is H.W homework. Same here you have to practice letter capital G and letter small g. Also you have to color the picture of a gift box. Okay children, understood the homework? Yes. Okay students, so what we have learnt in today's lesson? Yes, what we have learnt? Yes. Which letters we have learnt? Today we have learnt letter F. Okay? Letter F and which letter we have learnt? Letter G. Yes. So what is the phonic sound of letter F? Can you tell me? It's F. Okay? What is the phonic sound of letter F? F. And what is the phonic sound of letter G? G. Okay? So you have to practice this sounds of the letters. Okay? And also you have to practice the workbook. Whatever homework I have given you, you have to write in proper good handwriting. Maintain your books properly. Okay? So meet you in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye.